Okay, so the only part we've got for issue 82 here is this motor. I don't think this motor is actually getting used in this particular issue. So once again, it's just a case of storing this, taking this identifying sticker, putting it on near the cable end, so it's going to be identifiable, and that's it. And then I'll just put this back in its packaging probably and store this away, because I'm not going to be using this in this issue. Okay, so we bring over some of the stuff that we had in the last issue. First of it is the wires and switches, as it calls it. So you spread this out. We've got a wire, obviously, with red and black going to it, and we've got switches on either end. Now you're going to put the identifying little sticker on the red wire close to the connector. So I've done that. So that's that done. So it then says take the cables and switches and the motor assembly from the previous issue. Got that. The red cable, so the red switch with the red, obviously with the red wires coming out of it, goes to the top of the upright housing. Fit the red cable in place with the switch going diagonally upwards over the slot of the top part. Oh, okay, so you've got, I think, these there. You've got some holes, and that's going to just sit in like that. Just got to make sure I get it the right way around, which I do. Yeah. Fit in place. Okay. So that one goes in like that, yes. Can't go in like that. And then you secure that in with a 1.7 by 6mm screw from the last issue. Okay, and now the black one moves down the way. And that's going to be fitted in once again. Okay, so that's kind of what that looks like, and very, very difficult to see, but you can see how it is connected in. Then the suction cup goes on, slots in. It's just bringing over the base section and fitting this motor in the right area, in the right place, obviously. So there's one, there's two. Yeah, that's it. And that's it. Okay, so that was issue 82 of the Spitfire. Now I haven't got the next subscribers pack yet, but I'm sure 83, yeah, it's just going to be another one of those motor things. What do they call them? Control mechanism for the display stand. So it's just going to be another control mechanism for the display stand. Yeah, so as soon as that turns up, as soon as the next subscribers pack turns up, I'll be getting those built and uploaded, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-da for now.